Pero Senator, with everything you mentioned, it seems you are unsatisfied with President Marcos Jr.'s leadership because you cited specific examples where the president could have acted. So you are not satisfied with how he's running the country.
Well, I'm not here to criticize the president, and certainly I'm very familiar with some of the policies. Being in the Senate, trabaho lang, nalalaman ko. Pag nakita ko, nung umpisa, tinetext ko siya, sinasabihan ko, pero mukhang ayaw na ayaw ng iba na makialam, kaya lumalayo na rin ako. Pero napipilitan ako when there are things such as the clear use of the GAA 2025, the budget. I was obliged to stand. It's absurd for us to sign in blank massive amounts being given in an election year in terms of ayuda. Hindi naman katanggap-tanggap yon. Tapos ito nga, yung pagtangay kay Presidente Duterte, parang nakita ko yung tatay ko eh. Sabi ko, galit tayo nun, bakit tayo ngayon ang panimuno? Wag naman ganun, hindi yata tama. Kaya't I think we should learn our lesson and not repeat this hideous and tragic cycle.